Linfield University has implemented cloud-native Chyron Live solution for coverage of its athletic events. Chyron Live's all-in-one, feature-rich production environment includes camera switching, audio mixing, live graphics overlays, illustrated replay, and clip playback. Extending Chyron Live's well-known ease of use, Chyron Creative Services provided a custom-built control panel, making game day operation even easier. With a number of Linfield soccer and volleyball games already successfully produced with Chyron Live, the organization now has its sights on also covering basketball, wrestling, baseball, softball, swimming, and lacrosse with this versatile system.
DJI has announced its new Neo 2 drone. It can capture 4K video at up to 100 frames per second and offers a wide range of control options and safety features. The Neo 2 is built around a 12-megapixel half-an-inch CMOS sensor paired with an f2.2 wide-angle lens, while a 2-axis gimbal provides image stabilization for video recording. The drone offers flight time of up to 19 minutes. Users can charge the drone directly via USB-C, and Neo 2's two-way charging hub can charge 3 batteries at once. An onboard display enables intuitive shooting mode selection, and the drone supports palm takeoff and return to palm functions. Neo 2 provides smooth and stable tracking for running, cycling, and other activities. In open areas, it can track at speeds of up to 12 miles per second. Despite its capabilities, it weighs just 151 grams.
BBC Studios Nordic Production has announced 3 leadership appointments in Denmark and Norway. In Denmark, Jens Vilbro, currently Chief Operating Officer, has been appointed Managing Director for Denmark, effective from the December 1st. Vilbro will continue in his position as Nordic COO alongside Chief Financial Officer Kent Peterson. Vilbro succeeds Daniel Svarts, who has been instrumental in building the Danish business. In Norway, Mirja Minhares has been appointed as Managing Director, effective from the December 1st, 2025. Minhares, currently Head of Entertainment for Norway, has been central in shaping the company's creative output since joining the team earlier this year, and will now lead the Norwegian production business into its next phase. Also joining the Norwegian team on the January 1st is Hans Lucas Hansen, who will take on the role of Head of Development.
Crest Audio, a division of PV Commercial Audio, has expanded the capabilities of its latest CPL Plus loudspeaker series with full support for EASE, Enhanced Acoustic Simulator for Engineers, and CLF2, Common Loudspeaker Format, Data Integration. It gives AV consultants, system designers, and integrators direct access to accurate manufacturer-verified loudspeaker data for use in predictive acoustic modeling, coverage mapping, and design validation, essential steps in today's data-driven installation workflow. The CPL Plus range combines tour-grade components, robust cabinetry, and refined voicing to deliver high output, clarity, and reliability in demanding environments.
Mark Roberts Motion Control has launched Flare Bridge, a groundbreaking solution that redefines how operators control MRMC's motion control robots. This compact device eliminates the complexity of hardware and operating system requirements, enabling seamless robot control for virtually any modern computer. Flare Bridge operates across Mac, Windows, and Linux platforms without the need for special operating system configurations, drivers, or BIOS tweaks, allowing robots to run over Wi-Fi or company networks. The device is compact, powered via USB-C, and fully compatible with all existing MRMC rigs, including legacy models.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.